A brief and almost unnoticed product page on Amazon Germany may have given us our first real glimpse of the DJI Pocket 4. The listing appeared quietly, stayed live for a very short time, and then vanished without explanation. While DJI has not officially confirmed anything yet, the way this information surfaced feels far from accidental. DJI has a long history of allowing early listings to appear before major announcements, often as part of a carefully timed rollout. According to the leaked page, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to be available around March 2026. That timeline fits well with DJI's usual launch patterns. The company often schedules product releases a little later than expected to make sure accessories, firmware, and companion apps are fully ready on day one. If that strategy holds true here, the Pocket 4 may launch not just as a standalone camera, but as part of a complete and polished ecosystem. A late February to March 2026 release window currently feels like the most realistic scenario. One of the most interesting details mentioned in the listing is the camera sensor. It refers to a 2.5cm CMOS sensor, which strongly suggests a 1-inch type sensor. That would be a meaningful upgrade and a clear signal that DJI is prioritizing image quality this time. A larger sensor typically delivers better dynamic range, cleaner low-light footage, and more natural-looking highlights and shadows. Rather than chasing higher resolution numbers, DJI seems to be focusing on improving real-world image quality, which matters far more for everyday creators. Video performance is also expected to see a boost, with reports pointing to 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. Achieving this reliably will depend heavily on heat control and bitrate management. If DJI can handle thermal performance properly, slow-motion footage could become far more usable than on previous generations, even during longer recording sessions. Another major rumored change is the introduction of a dual-camera system. Early leaked images appear to show two lenses on the front of the device. The most likely setup would be a standard wide-angle lens paired with a roughly 40mm equivalent lens. This would bring true optical zoom to the Pocket series for the first time. Unlike digital zoom, optical zoom allows tighter framing without sacrificing image quality, making the camera far more versatile for travel, vlogging, and detail shots. Low-light shooting also seems to be a major focus this generation. A dual-sensor approach could allow each camera to be optimized for specific tasks, improving performance in challenging lighting conditions. While expectations remain realistic, the Pocket 4 is still a compact camera, not a mirrorless system. The aim appears to be giving users more confidence when filming after sunset or indoors. Design-wise, leaks suggest a slightly larger and stronger gimbal head, likely needed to stabilize a longer focal length lens. Improved stabilization, better motor tuning, and stronger horizon control could result in smoother footage while walking. The body itself looks slimmer, with more robust materials and textured arms for better grip, while still remaining genuinely pocket-friendly. There are also signs of improved audio, with a horizontal bar under the lenses that may house upgraded microphones or accessory mounts. Better built-in sound would reduce reliance on external microphones and make fast shooting setups more practical. Autofocus is expected to include reliable face and object tracking, building on DJI's recent progress in this area. Battery details remain unclear, but with dual sensors and high frame rates, power consumption will likely increase. Battery life may be average rather than exceptional, meaning short sessions or carrying a power bank will be the norm. Pricing is expected to land between $599 and $699. While higher than the Pocket 3, the upgrades could make it a fair deal. Overall, the Pocket 4 looks like a smart evolution focused on real shooting needs, not a flashy redesign.